What up, guys? We'll get started in 4 minutes, all right? 4 minutes. Good morning to those who just joined. Please make sure to like up the stream, write some tickers, questions, all those things, and we'll get started in exactly 2 minutes. All right, see you in a bit. Rightio, good morning everybody. Hello. Okay, gonna go through Twitter and then I'll go to you guys, all right? TWLO, you have a resistance right here at 100 something, 150, 100.5. So this is your resistance level, close above that, then you have a range all the way up to probably like 103-ish. So we have this here, 100, then 103, 40. Nice. All right, cool. This is your TWLO. TWLO needs 150 break. You guys know I don't trade these larger caps, but I still do chart them for you guys, for those who are looking to trade them or just in general. So yes. ABVE, everyone's pumping this to me. I've had about 20 people messaging me about this. It's breaking above the key level, very nice. You have this next level here, 0.75, then 0.82. All right, looks good though. Just very, very low volume at the moment. Should continue to go up, to be honest. You're breaking all the highs here, it needs to break. Yeah, it's broken all the highs, so it looks very, very good. Expecting continuation on this one. ABVE key levels. But yeah, let's get going. Let's like up the stream. Let's smash it. Bitcoin. Who thinks Bitcoin's getting to 100K today? Who thinks Bitcoin's getting to $100,000 today? I think it is very, very close to. Let's have a look at it quickly. Yeah, very, very close. We also had some news out right now. Let's have a look how the data was out. Nice. So unemployment claims are below forecasted, which is good. That means what's happening here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Nice. All right, welcome. How is everyone? Yesterday, the Bitcoin code was closed at 8:44 due to Bitcoin's rage. Becoming 41.44. I'm not too sure what that means, but what up, man? Hello, hello, hello. SPAI. SPAI, these are your key levels here. We'll just remove this one. Yeah, nothing at the moment. I mean, if you want to go on the 1 minute, if you're looking for a scalp trade, meaning if you want to get in and out quickly, you could wait for a downtrend break here to look for entries. Otherwise, just wait for like 640 break. Right, so these are your levels next. Should crush it. It looks very bullish. Yeah, it looks great. Needs a downtrend break. Scalp play. So this means if you're using the 1 minute, you're definitely going to be in and out quick. SBA, good evening, Tiger, and good morning to those on the other side of the pond. What up, what up, what up, what up? Hello, Tiger. What up, Mohammed, bro? What up, Tiger Signature? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope some of you got a piece of that wild ass move just now. What a maneuver. Oh, SPAI. Very nice in SPAI. Like up the stream. Let's go, let's go. 103 TPST. TPST. What's happening in TPST? Is this? No, it's TPET. TPST is... Wait for $1. Right, so you can wait for your $1, then you can look for entries. Right now, there's no volume, nothing really below $1 suits my eyes. So wait for $1 break and close above. All right, close above $1, then you should be. Oh shit, that's TPST, not TPT. TPST, TPST. I fixed it. TPS Bitcoin over 100K, Nvidia 150. Yeah, Bitcoin is going mad, mad, mad. Mad, mad, mad. TRNR $10. That's a bit excessive, isn't it? What's this thing at? Yeah, this thing's at $3. Yeah, TPI, I don't know. This thing's a load of trash for now. Obviously, these are crazy candle wicks. It's not like this on any other broker. It is just like this on Webull. So we can just wait for $6 here. $6 break. Let's see. $6 break might look good, so we'll see here. So TRNR needs $6 break. Yeah, but nothing for me on this yet. Keep it on watch. I know a lot of people do watch this and like it, so there it is. AKTS, I went over this earlier. A lot of people also asking about this one. For me, there is no entry on this unless 0.1530. You close above that and you should be golden. All right, so like I always say, when you see the purple line, anything below is nothing you should be looking at. Anything below, it doesn't matter, all the way down to 0. We don't care below this. The reason is because it's bearish below this. If it breaks above here, it's bullish, and it should continue to push up. You're entering a trade because you are trying to make money, right? So when you enter a trade that is bearish, there is a higher probability that the stock will go down, right? So you are looking for a bullish trend. So that's why you look and focus on the bullish stock. So wait for the, that confirmation of that candle close above there. Once you get that, then you should be golden for the next move to the upside. 225 was this level. Yes, it's correct here. Okay, cool. This is Zena. Zena looks good. Zena, wait for 191 break above for entries. All right. Nothing below. Everything above. All right. Let me have a look here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. QUBT. Yeah, this one I just took a small loss. I took a 1% loss on this. Expected to break up here. I did sell some at $4 over here somewhere. Yeah, it was over here. And then I just tried to see if it can go more, and it didn't. So I just sold the rest like just below 1%. But at the moment, just struggling at the moment, sadly. I expect this one to run. We'll see what happens today. Yesterday was a very good trading day for me in terms of just going for one trade setup and got my, I waited for 5%, but it ran to 9%, which was fantastic. I literally only took 2 trades, or 3 actually. Took 2 of Hassie's trades, and then 1 I alerted in the Discord, which was great. But yeah, QUBT, wait for 393, break above. Guys, if you also spam me on Twitter, like 3 stocks, the same stock 3 or 4 times, I'm literally just gonna block you, alright? So yeah, if you see yourself blocked, you'll know why. Works, everyone's, oh, CMTL's one, someone's looking at CMTL. CMTL has very low volume. For me, I just would avoid this. I don't see anything on it. Maybe a close above 310. You get close above 310, you should be fine, but yeah, nothing for me now. CMTL. What's the other one people are talking about? Works. I'm sure it's running, right? That's why, yes. Okay, so Works is very easy to chart. All you do is draw this like that, and then draw the downtrend. If it breaks the downtrend, you can look for your entry. Right now, there is no reason to enter. The highest probability setup would definitely be waiting for the downtrend break, or you can wait for that 205 break. Works, wait for downtrend break. Very simply, understand this please. We can all see by this line, this trend is what? Bearish. Bearish means the stock is going down. It means that there is a higher probability the stock is going down. You never want to buy stock that is going down because you'll probably lose. If it breaks above this, we can confirm that the trend has gone from a downtrend to an uptrend. You want to place stocks where the stock is going in an uptrend. Remember the saying, the trend is your friend. So if the trend is not your friend, then do not trade, right? Easy. Make trading easy. I'm trying to explain to you as easy as possible. Make it easy. Alright. Someone just had an issue with Discord. Where are... I need to just send something to a member. 1 second. And then this. All right. Yeah, I'm just going to block Mr. Jafar because he's spamming me 20 times. TWG is bearish. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. Not a fan at all. So we have this like that. TWG needs downtrend break to enter. Very, very bearish. Remember what I just explained a couple of minutes ago? If the stock is in a downtrend, you want to avoid it. If the stock is in an uptrend, you want to look for entries. All right. So let's see what the next setup people are looking at. TVGN works. Please and thank you. What up, TVGN, CDT? Good morning. CDT 57%. Yeah, so CDT right now, a lot of crazy wicks here. This is just ADM candles. Avoid that stuff. Wait for 2212, all right? Remember, now you can see it's in a downtrend. Yes, it might be reversing, but it's difficult. You're going to probably guess that it's trying to reverse, right? For me, highest probability setup is above 0.2212. So CDT, wait for close above 0.2212 break. All right, that's your point of entry. Kraken is here, 22%. Kraken at the moment isn't really doing anything. Your entry point is above 124. 124, you have room to 138. Click the like. Yes, Kevin, click the like. Let's go. 26 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 100 today. Come on. How many of you guys have watched the YouTube video as well? Let me just send it in here so you guys can make sure you go and watch that. And also, make sure that you subscribe to the Twitter, YouTube as well. Just like it, comment on there. It is a very, very insightful video. All right. Let me have a look. Going through everyone's questions here. Nvidia's been a mad run to this morning pre-market. Yeah, insane. It had earnings, didn't it? Or what's going on? I think it's having earnings, had earnings. All right, for those members who just joined, I'm just about to DM you right now. Yeah, I've just DM'd you now. So have a look at your DM, please. It's important to do so. Watch the intro video and then you'll be sorted. All right. CDT, yeah, I've just gone over CDT again. For me, I don't see anything unless 2212. All right. Yeah, they're down 2,000 market. CDT bounce, CMTL, CMTL. What's happening here? Yeah, again, I just mentioned this one. Low volume, nothing. Maybe above 310. Otherwise, nothing. All right. Praying don't get back on CDT, CDT. Why is everyone spamming CDT? CDT, CDT, CDT. Nothing on CDT. Leave it. Downtrend bearish. I explained it again and again and again. Don't trade a stock that's in a downtrend. SPAI broke above the downtrend. Did it? Yeah, broke above the downtrend. Let's see what it does do. I'm going to wait and see what it does do above this level here. Let me remove this up here. Where is this? 780. Okay, this is your resistance here. Obviously, this is the current candle, so it's a bit difficult to put this as resistance because it hasn't closed yet. It's left 2 minutes. But we'll just use this for the sake of the chart for now that I see. We'll see. Let's see. 625 break, then 725. Has a lot of room to the upside. Praying Omega back CD. Hello, like it up once again, Spy. Good morning. Thank you for the daily. No worries. No problem. No problem. CDT bags. We have already announced this, but do you plan on running Black Friday? Unfortunately, we're not doing that. We don't do any of those sales and things. Maybe in the future we might do something, maybe for the new year or something, but we rarely, I don't think we ever do it anymore, just because the reason is we're not trying to get the most amount of members, right? We don't market it on anything. We don't do Google ads and that stuff. We just basically just share everything on Twitter, and that's kind of, I guess, our marketing for the Discord. And that way it's people's choice if they want to join the Discord from there. So we do have limited spots each month. We're not trying to get everyone in there, get as many members, It's very, it's a close-knit community, and we have a good retention rate. A lot of members stay there for pretty much when they're in, they pretty much stay. It's just good because the one thing about our Discord is that we teach you how to trade. Yes, we have the alerts and the swing trades and all those things which people like, but we teach you how to trade. I share every single thing, how I trade. My full strategy is there, right? And it's both myself and Hassie. So I understand sometimes, or not sometimes, I understand that for some people it may be $90 expensive and those things. But, I take a look back, I take a step back from it and I think, okay, $90, what am I doing in the Discord? My goal is to learn how to trade and to make money, right? My goal is to develop the skill and be able to become financially free or just make some side income and things. And in my opinion, you can easily make $90. You might not make it in the first month, you can make it in the second, and then you start to make it in the trade. And my goal and Hassie's is just to keep you guys in there. Once you trade with the community who do the same thing, it's very, very easy to, in my opinion, to trade with people who have the same strategy, the same way to trade. Yes, there's thousands of ways to trade, but the way I explain it, and Hassie, we keep it very, very simple. We don't have all these indicators. We don't have all these magic screeners. Literally how I show you guys on YouTube is very similar to how I trade intraday. Intraday, when I do live trading and the seminars and all that, I go into much more depth and explain how and why I take the trade. So if you think about it, spending $90, right, for 1 month, it's much better than spending $20, $30 on your Netflix or whatever. I understand some people like to do that and it sounds very cliche, but once you develop a skill like trading, you can make as much money as you want once you develop the skill, and you can do it wherever, whenever, and those things. So for me, when people say it's $90 expensive, in my opinion, it's actually extremely cheap, right? I would charge $300, $400 a month, right? And I know members would still pay that amount, not because it's expensive, it's because of the value you get and the consistency and the transparency and the skill that they've developed, right? And it's motivating, right? Sometimes if things are expensive, it makes you want to try hard, and you'll actually spend the money to learn and stay there until you can achieve it, right? And the $90, our goal is just for you to pay that $9 each month and stay in. That's it. The excess money is fantastic. If you can make $200, you start paying for your phone bill, cars, all those other things, and that's the perks of trading. So I understand people like to have the, you know, the sales and all those things. People do it. I understand as part of the marketing strategy, but for us, you know, we don't do that. We're not here to make it affordable for people, right? Like, we keep our value, and we keep it very very consistent with our thing. You'll see we never have sales. We don't really you know, we have limited spots each month. So that's why we promote it pretty much once or twice a week, if I'm honest. And when the spots are there, people join. You know, I don't say join, you have to join this and this. So it's very different, you know. And I always say it's people's, if they want to join, they are more than welcome to. I've never pressure anyone. I do talk about a lot sometimes in here, and some people think, oh, you're marketing and all this. But, you know, at the end of the day, people want to know what's in the Discord and what there is and those things. And we get, most of my viewers are in here from Twitter, and there I can explain it easier, you know, instead of me writing this Discord, and so on. So for me, you know, I think there's a lot of value in there. It's completely up to people, you know, at the end of the day. But yeah, unfortunately, we don't have it, any sales, as I mentioned. But yeah, if you want to join, I'm sure that you will be able to join. But yes, that's it. All right, let me get through some questions. CDT, printing bags, yes. I haven't watched familiar. CDT is bearish people. TVGN. TVGN, I think I went over this one already. TVGN, what's happening? TVGN, I haven't gone over this. Let me clean the chart up a bit. This ran 4% yesterday. Nothing really at the moment, to be honest with you. Just very low volume. Yeah, it's a difficult one. So I would just avoid this. You know, the very simple way to trade it, and there's no secret, right? This is my screener, scanner, whatever you want to call it. This is what I use. I use this every single day. So this is it here. You can go and look at that. That's the pre-market gainers. I go in more depth, obviously, in the Discord about how you use it and so on. But those are all the top gainers, have the news and that. Did you go over BTCT? BTCT is bullish, along with every other Bitcoin play. We have Mara, Hut, Riot, Can. They are all bullish. Bitcoin should get to 100K, in my opinion. It's literally hit 98K. It's only $2,000 away. I mean, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer for it to hit 100K. And I think if it breaks 100K, it will go very, very strong. It'll be very, very strong. So, yep, it's bullish. Hut, Mara, Riot, Can, BKKT, BTCT, all of them. You know, CLSK, they're all bullish, right? Bullish with Bitcoin. All right, so I hope that makes sense. These are just sympathies. These are blockchains. So they follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, they go up. Bitcoin comes down, they go down. Guys, is this 1 month? 2 months. Let's go, Kaz. Let's go. Kaz, I mean, one thing I can tell sorry, Kaz, the one thing I can tell you about this TFFP, pharmaceutical bioplays do have their sectors, and when they do run nice. But at the moment, yeah, you'd have a 4-hour gap fill, but other than that, there's nothing really. I would wait for it to get to this gap fill, like 0.82. At the moment, it is very, very bearish, right? You're just ranging. It's difficult to anticipate what's going to happen here. Has a gap fill. Let's like up the stream, guys. How many likes we have? We have to at least 50, right? Come on, guys. Get to 50, 50, 50, 50. 50, 50, 50. Guys, they're charging thousands of dollars for this. Yeah, I mean, I do this for free as well for you guys as well. So there's a lot of free content that we do give. Obviously, people pay for the quality stuff that we go in depth about, which is obviously fair. But yeah, I think it's pricely. It's fared quite pricely, if not too cheap, to be honest. Works. What's happening with Works? For me, yeah, maybe. Well, I don't know. I don't see anything. Yeah, you have VWAP and this. I would wait for downtrend or this 211 break. Morning. Do you think QSI will make another move for a bid retracement today? QSI, where is it? QSI down 9%. Did I move this off my watch list? QSI is here. 119% yesterday. Let me just have a look. So at the moment, it looks like it is trying to reverse. I would say your major resistance is here, like 154. You break 154, you have clean range to 185. At the moment, you have this in the way and all this noise. You could try here at 137. Excuse me, but I think the safest entries would be above 154. That's my personal opinion. So QSI, wait for close above 154. HCWB, people are spamming this play. Are they getting bag hold or is it running? Yeah, they're definitely getting bag hold on this. This is a bearish, a downtrend, nothing. I know there's news on it. I can see from the news alert here, but yeah, nothing at the moment. HCW, still bearish. Still bearish. Works. Lowest I've seen reasonable. $200 was lowest before this. I wasted 2,000 just. Yeah, I mean, people sell their courses and all that. I mean, everyone has their own price, you know, and it is what it is. Doge is the only way. I'm not going. I'm not sure why. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I think Doge will go. It's just lagging. But mainly Bitcoin's the one. Is APLD Bitcoin as well? I think it is. Or blockchain, sorry. This looks good. Yeah, falling wedge here. Looks very nice. Like I said, guys, Bitcoin is going to just push these plays up when it goes. And if it comes down, it will go bullish with Bitcoin. Looks good, though. APLD, should make the like button and enter stream button. I know, right? That would be cool. You did a really great job. Thanks. No problem, brother. No problem, brother. Zena 191 is getting close. SPAI is getting close. TRNR, nothing. QUBT, nothing. Works. You see how easy my trading is? Look, very easy. I've organized my whole trading. Above that, I know I can enter. 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 You know, downtrend, I know I can enter. So yeah, it's just very simple now. Very, very easy to trade, right? I'm not looking at any indicators. I'm not worried about any of that stuff. All I'm doing is just doing the same thing over and over again. QSI looks all right. CDT, nothing. AKTS is all right. Kraken, nothing. PET, nothing. Right, so that's all we have. So now all you do is you just go through these plays and see which ones are getting close to the level, which ones are setting up, and which one looks good for you to enter the trade, you know? Do you have a watch list of those Bitcoins? Yeah, I have a watch list of them in the Discord, but it's easy. Hut, Mara, right, Can. You can literally go onto Google and type it. Type into Google, what are blockchain stocks? Which stocks are the blockchain stocks? And it will tell you. CDT. Not a fan. Too bearish for me. What are we thinking here? Zena, is Zena up? Zena, not yet. So look, 191, 5-minute candle can close above, 1 minute, 2 minute, 30-minute, daily time frame, whatever you choose. Candle body must close above. If it rejects like it has 1, 2, 3 times, you do not enter. Candle body must go above. Same with this one. In 8 seconds, if it closes above, probably could look for entries. What is this? TRNR, QUBT is looking good. I really like this play. I think that this will run today. Yeah, Wolf is one. Cause. Here, Kevin. These are someone here. Look, Mara, Hut, Riot, Can, BKKT, BTCT, Wolf, CLSK. These are just a few. So there's loads. Works. What are we thinking? Works is very close to this downtrend. CDT a pump and dump. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove it probably actually. CNSP. Haven't seen this one in a while. Let me have a look. CNSP is moving up. This one's my watch list. This is more for Hassie, not for me. Let's check the 4 hour. I go straight to the 4 hour to see the key levels. I can see that. Where are the major moves? So we've had a big move off here. 1940. Then we have here. So I like to use the 4 hour, right? I like to personally use the 4 hour in order to find my key levels. Some people use the 20 minutes, some people use the 2 second, some people use the daily. There's no best way and there's no correct way to find the key levels, all right? So You can go onto StockTwits, you can go onto Google, you can go onto YouTube, you can go on wherever, right? People will give you different feedback. I'm just telling you what works for me, and you can apply it or you can ignore it, whatever you decide, right? I like to use the 4 hour, so that is what I use. CNSP key levels. Right. CNSP, that's it there. QSI, still red. Works, interesting. QUBT looks good. TRNR, I'm not really interested. I'm going to remove it. Yep, so closed above. Look, very simple and easy. Your instructions, you should be in this already. You should have been in this when the candle closed. So when the candle closed above, you ran and you're looking for your 3 to 5%. You can aim for 662 as your target. Your first target, you can sell some here. If it doesn't hit there, make sure you have a stop loss. All right. Candle body has closed above. That was your entry point. If it doesn't close above, you do not enter. It closed above. That gives you the indication to enter the trade. That's going to make larger. HAO. HAO. What's happening with this? Nothing unless 0.2620. You see how organized my charts are already? Closed above, here is your entry point. Anything below is nothing. All right. SoFi, let's see, SoFi. You're on 5 minute. It's 1475. So obviously this is a difficult one to have. Personally, I would look at a larger time frame to see where demand zone is. Maybe like a 4 hour. I would use this 4 hour as a demand zone. You see this here. Here you go, like this. You see that? This is it. Let me just send this to a Discord member because they are having issues when they shouldn't. All right, what else is there to see? What other plays are moving? Let me have a peek here quickly. Any other movers you guys see at the moment? CTV. This is a mover. CTV. No one's talked about this one yet. CTV is running, so we go here. Let's have a look. Keep this on the watch list. You do not enter now. Please don't try and chase this thing. It's just absolute stupidity if you're going to chase this thing. Right? Just don't do it. It's not smart trading at all. Just trying to see where the key levels are on this. Here. And then like here. Sorry, this. Yeah, these are your levels at the moment. So we'll see. Now we go back to this and we look at it on the 5 minute and see, obviously this just started running. But yeah, we'll see these are your key levels. 314 and the other one after that. QUBT breaking. Very nice. Closed above. Let's see if we can retest this level here, like 390, and push to the upside. Works. Still just chilling here. It's literally just chilling. It's interesting to see here with QSI because I'm going to watch this play today. I like something like this. I'm just curious to see if it will actually break this 154. It's the biggest level at the moment. CNSP, yeah, 0.195 I think was that level. What are we thinking here? AKTS, I will watch this. This will be for Hassie though to trade on because trying to trade this now isn't a good idea in my opinion. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. Let's like up the stream. This is the link here. Yes, this is the only link to the Discord. We do not have anything else, okay? I get asked every day, what's your Telegram? I don't have a Telegram. I don't have any of that stuff. This is it. Waiting for a decent pullback on Luna. Thing doesn't stop. Yeah, Luna's more of a long-term trade in my opinion. I like it though. Hood. What's happening with Hood here? Hood. 3%. How's the daily looking for? Oh yeah, Hood is crazy bullish. 38.11 is your next resistance level on that, on Hood. Let me check SISI out. SISI still bearish, sadly. Nothing on SISI. Still bearish. All right. Let me go through my watch list and then I will hop into Discord. PET needs 0.4330. We have Kraken. It needs 1.24. We have AKTS needs 0.153. We have CNSP. It needs 0.17. We have QSI 154 break. Works. Keep this one on watch. Very, very big watch. I know a lot of people are watching that. Zena needs 191. Got close. Big rejection of that. CTV is very, very bullish. I think this should continue. SPAI, this is retesting very nicely here. I think it can hold the $6 to continue to go up. Nice psychological level. I think VWAP's around here as well. Oh, VWAP's a little lower. But yeah, this is not bad. We'll see now. Discord members, you know what to do around this level. Looks very, very good, you know. Wow. What's happening with QUBT? Can she go? QBT looks good. Let's get some Kraken. Someone please release the Kraken. Free the bag holders on this one. All right, guys. I'm going to head into Discord. Live trading link will be sent out in 20 minutes. Discord, guys, I'll see you in a bit. Twitter, guys, thank you again for all the support. Also, all the love on the YouTube video that we just posted. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yes. I will not be trading intraday tomorrow as the time difference until the clocks change. I won't be able to trade pretty much Fridays. Pre-market I'll be active. I'll do live trading again on Friday. But yes, I'll catch you all tomorrow. Have a great evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.